Alright, so today I'm so excited because I finally received the package I ordered online from Dermalogica. Um, so a few weeks ago, I went to a dermatologist office for my skin conditions, which is I was breaking out and I had uneven skin tone problems, and I was really suffering from that for a very, very long time, like years, from having acne. I broke out when I came to the US. So I did have a facial. They have their signature facial. It's a layer of some enzymes, I think it was, and vitamin C, papaya, and all that. And she actually gave me a sample to take with me, um, a Dermalogica. And I was really shocked with how it was very effective with my type of skin. I have a sensitive and oily skin. So I really did notice a lot of changes, good changes on my skin. I felt like my skin was glowing, brighter, and I think the pores were getting smaller. And so I'm so excited to open this box. I got it online and the shipping was very fast. I ordered it, I think, around 4 days ago, and I received it today. So let's see. So I have the box right here. I have already sanitized this. So it's okay. I can put it right here. So let's open it. Alright, so when I open the box, it comes in like this, like some bubble wraps. So this is the order. Or this is just the list of what's inside. So this is what I ordered. It's a brightening biolumin C trio. I think it has like the serum inside, a gel moisturizer, and an eye serum. So the value of this one was, I think, it says in here it was 148, but I got it for $89. So let's open it and see how it looks inside. So it came in sealed right in here. It's sealed. So there are 3 of them here. This one right here. Right here is the eye serum. It's kind of small. It's only like 6 ml. But this goes a long way because you do not need to put on a lot. Like they gave me a sample. There was in a sachet. And the eye serum, one of those sample packet, it lasted for more than a week. So a little goes a long way. So, and then the other one in the package is the, let's see, this is the gel moisturizer. I love this. It smells like vitamin C. I love it very much. The same thing with this. It's not that big, 15 ml, but again, you do not need a lot. Maybe even like a pea size is already enough for your face. You only use it like twice a day. All of this I use twice a day. And then this one is the serum. It's a little bit big for this. And also you do not need to put on a lot. So this will probably last for months, and is 30 ml. So that's it for this package. Then I ordered this. Also, it's a microfoliant, and I use it twice a day. I think it says it's rice-based powder, and it activates upon contact with water. So this is a powder. So once you just put in your hand and then tap a little bit of water and make it like a paste. Not a lot, because you do not need a lot. A little is enough. So I have been using this for almost 2 weeks, and it is also working. It's really good. Yeah, this is pretty big because you don't put too much on your skin. Then the last one I have in the box is this special cleansing gel. So this goes first. then the exfoliator, the microfoliant, and then there's 3 sets. Yeah, so that's it. I am so excited to use this because the samples they give me I have already run out. So hopefully my skin will continue to this will continue to work really good on my skin because I'm, I'm really careful for the products I use because I usually break out easily. So far this one has been helping. And so yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, for taking your time to watch this video if you are watching, and hopefully I can give you an update sometime on how my skin looks like. All right, thank you so much and have a good day.